Vice President Constantine Chiwenga has described the late Liberation War Commander Josiah Tongogara as a prophetic figure who foresaw Zimbabwe's post-independence challenges long before they unfolded. Sarapina mashuko budanyo kwa pangwa inyo toka na VP Constantine Chiwenga Fichinzi. Chiwenga says Tongogara was prophetic, predicted Zimbabwe's struggles and survival. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina mnamudu wanyo kwa mchinzi. Speaking at the National Heroes Acre during commemorations marking Tongogara's death, Chiwenga said the commander repeatedly warned that independence will not automatically bring prosperity in cause. He was prophetic. He predicted that when Zimbabwe became independent, we would face problems, but we would also survive them, Chiwenga said. The Vice President said Tongogara's final conversations were marked by caution rather than celebration, with a strong emphasis on unity, discipline, and preparedness for the future. According to Chiwenga, the late general anticipated internal turmoil and national hardship, but believed the foundations laid during the liberation struggle would ultimately keep the country together. Linking the past to the present, Chiwenga said Zimbabwe's current political and social challenges were not unexpected. Whatever challenges we are facing today, he predicted them, and he told us how they would end, he said. Chiwenga also highlighted Tongogara's strategic depth during the armed struggle, pointing to his insistence on inclusivity and the participation of women combatants on the front lines, a position that was controversial at the time, but later proved significant. He said, the continued presence of Liberation War veterans, including women fighters, who attend commemorations without being formally called, was evidence of Tongogara's lasting authority and moral influence. As Zimbabwe reflected on the legacy of one of its most influential liberation commanders, Chiwenga urged the nation to take Tongogara's warning seriously, arguing that many of today's crises were foretold decades ago and remain part of an unfinished national journey. Toma shukano mdatogo hapana pana VP Constantine Chiwenga. Tuze mafunzo enyi tukulipa msoro page it kwa ichi. Penda comment section medu, subscribe or like, check on the bell.